Okay, Badlands rebuilds. We got here a 1984 F250. This was the fire truck, local fire truck. It's an 80. They put a water box on the back. It's got pretty big coils in it and that. This is what she looks like. Just curious, anybody thinks I should redo this pickup? Does it have any value? I mean, the fenders are pretty much chewed through, which I've never seen. This is what the sides look like. This box is a heavy bugger. The lights do work on it. I just don't know what to do with it. I use it for my snowplow now, but these lower quarters, they're pretty well just gone. Let's open the door. Pretty wobbly here. The floor don't look bad on this side, but the other side's pretty rough. This pickup was blue at one time, baby blue. She really does run good though. I mean, I have the pickup, you know, if I had the time, should I do it? Should I give it the rebuild special? This is my plow. This will be the last time this plow goes on a pickup, I told somebody. Right here, this fender's rusty. The floors, it's got Flintstone floors. You can see daylight through them and daylight up under here. Oh, look there, we fixed this already once with the license plate. But you know, it does run and drive out pretty good. The windows all busted to crud. I don't know, what do you guys think? Here's the motor. Looks like this. It's got 351 in it. I think it's 351 400. It's got dual tanks and everything. She's a pretty good old plow pickup. Last year I pushed snow with it. This is how much snow we get out in western South Dakota. I pushed snow with this pickup. I changed oil. I checked the mileage on it. Had four miles on the oil change last year. So this pickup did not go very far. Want to show you something else that's pretty curious. This pickup has only 107,000 actual miles on it. This was the fire truck for a long time. It's probably been a lot of fires and rescue stuff. And the motor had been replaced with the remanufactured one. I believe it does not have very many miles on it. It is a 4-speed with the granny low. Manual lockouts, snowplow, 2 gas tanks right here, up and down. They do work. That's a pretty cool little pickup. I just don't know. I don't know if there's enough time to do a pickup like this. See that it says number 1. I don't think this is number 1. But yeah, you know, comment, click, share. Tell me what you think. Should I give this thing a special and change it back? You know, maybe try to find a box. Maybe try to get a box for it. Or leave it like this. It's got a big tow bar on the back and tail lights all work on it. It's got a bunch of scab tires in it. Yeah, give me a comment. What do you think? Should I just should I try to rebuild this pickup? I mean, does this pickup have any value? It's a 1980. First year they switched the body style. 79 is a really nice body style. This body style, they must have went a lot cheaper because the sides and the floors just rusted out bad. But this is an F250. It does have a whine and like the rear end or something when you drive it, but she's got plenty of snap and the 4-wheel drive works good in it. I don't know, make some comments on there. You know, it is my favorite color, red. Could I put a couple fenders on it, fix that, throw that steel box, I'll put a regular box on there, paint it, polish her all up. You polish it up. What do they say, if you polish a turd at the end it's still a turd? I don't know. Or do I just keep it the way it is and just use it for my snowplow and push the neighborhood? I usually push all the way down there, all the way up the block, all the neighbors, but you know, it's been pretty dry, so it's got them fancy lights on the top. Yeah, it actually runs, you know, I used to have a 79 Bronco and it seems like the same pickup. It runs pretty good. The front end's a little loose on it, but the brakes are a little shoddy, but it gets the job done. You know, or if anybody out there is looking for a good four-wheel drive, you know, I really don't want to move the plow again. I've had this plow in a lot of pickups, but it's a pretty good pickup if somebody wanted to redo it, or if I redo it. And just let me know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share. Please comment. You know, do you think it's too far gone? Do you think this pickup's just shot? I don't know. You know what I mean? It does run out and drive out all right, but man, I don't know what, if it's a long box. It probably was a long box standard, and it's got a tank there, and it's got a fuel tank here, which is the front tank, and a fuel tank here on the back, which probably be a pain in the booty. I don't know, do the Ford have a dual tank on the sides like that in the 80s? I don't know, let me know. Thanks, bye.